Hey everyone, welcome to lesson 5 of Aetherstack AI series. Today we are answering the question everyone asks after they learn prompt engineering, why does it actually work? This is one important question that everybody should know. So some people tell that if we learn better prompt engineering, do we get better results than compared to previous prompts? Yes, that's definitely correct. When your prompt is correct, when your prompt defines your goals, as we discussed the four constraints, four important things in previous chapter, so that improves your response from the AI. So the question that everyone has, same AI, same model, same prompt window, you type one prompt, you get garbage, you type different prompt, you get something brilliant. But here is what most people never ask: why does this happen? What's going on under the hood that makes the AI respond so differently to different prompts? Here is the most people do not realize: AI does not understand the language. It predicts the next most probable word. When you type write about, the AI sees a probability situation. Marketing has 34% chance, strategy has 22% chance, plan, email, a dozen of other words, all competing each other. The AI picks from this distribution. If your prompt is baggage, the distribution is wide. It could go in 100 directions and it will pick one randomly. Steering a wheel. Think of it like a GPS. If you get in the car and say, take me somewhere, the GPS has no destination, it could go anywhere and you will end up somewhere random. But if you say, take me to 42 Park Street by the fastest route avoiding highways, the GPS knows exactly where to go. Your prompt is the GPS coordinates. Baggage prompt is equal to baggage destination, random output. Specific prompt is equal to clear destination, precise output. Look at this prompt, write about marketing. The AI sees thousands of possible directions: email marketing, social media, business to business, business to or business to consumer, search engine optimization, content, ads, analytics. There are many more things like this. With all these options, it picks whichever direction had the highest probability and gives you a generic unfocused blob. Now look at this one. Act as a business to business software as a service marketer. Write 5 email subject lines for a product launch targeting CTOs. The tone should be as a professional but bold, under 50 characters each. This prompts eliminates 95% of possible directions. The role here we are choosing is business to business software as a service marketer, and the format we are choosing as 5 email subject lines. Audience we are targeting as CTOs, that is chief, and tone is bold and length is under 50 characters. The AI's probability distribution just collapsed from an ocean into a laser beam. Let's go deeper. Why does act as a senior copywriter actually improve the output? It's not a hidden mode. It's not a magic. The AI was trained on billions of texts written by millions of different people. When you say act as a senior copywriter, you are biasing the probability toward text, and that sounds like something a senior copywriter would write. Say act as a PhD researcher, you get formal cited methodological language. Say act as a casual friend, you get relaxed, short, emoji heavy text. Same model, different probability filter. Few shot prompting. Now let's come to the few shot prompting, which is one of the examples of how you give prompting to the AI. Showing the AI 2 to 3 examples of what you want works for the same reason. Without example, the AI guesses what nicely formatted means, and it guesses differently every time. With examples, you have given it a pattern to match. Instead of guessing from millions of possible formats, it logs into your format and replicates it. Show, do not tell. That's the principle. And now you know why it works. Pattern matching against your example narrows the probability distribution to exactly what you want. Last one. The last type of prompting that is most important. Think step by step. This is the most counterintuitive technique. Why would asking the AI think out loud make it smarter? Because LLMs can only think by generating tokens. More output tokens means more processing time. It's like showing your work in a math exam. The process of writing out each step catches errors that jumping straight to the answer misses. Step 1. Step 1's output becomes the input for step 2 and errors get caught mid-chain instead of compounding to the end. Now let's compare before versus after. Here is a summary in one slide. Before, write a marketing mail, result generic 5-word blob, no structure, wrong tone, no call to action. After, act as a software as a service marketer, 120 words, hook, and 3 benefits: CTA, bold tone, result, sharp, usable, no brand. Same AI, different probabilities. So three things to remember here is: 1, prompt shift probabilities, not instructions. 2, specificity beats cleverness every time. 3, more thinking tokens means better answers. That's lesson 5. If this is click for you, test what you learned in the Saturday's quiz, top 3 win cash prizes. Subscribe to the channel to get more updates and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from the channel. Do not miss. See you on Thursday for lesson 6. Thank you.